Welcome back. State has recorded high crime rate from period between March 2012 and September 2013. The data shows that serious crimes like murder, rape and kidnapping are on the rise. Data also gives a sad picture that 265 persons committed suicides during this period. Besides this, cops have also recorded 30 cases of internet frauds. Meanwhile, T.N. Mohan is likely to take charge as DGP of Goa Police on Monday. Watch report.
A crime information data for the period March 2012 to September 2013 reveals that total 3,635 FIRs have been registered in the state. 63 cases of murder have been registered during that period. This data also reveals that serious crime against women is on rise as 96 cases of rape, 160 cases of molestation and 27 dowry cases have been registered with the police. 95 cases of kidnapping also came in light, in which 13 cases were for extortion of money. 162 crimes of burglary in night and 12 cases of burglary in broad daylight. 235 thefts, 168 cases of auto thefts, 88 of chain snatching. 47 robberies and 5 cases of dacoity have been also registered. Banks have also been targeted and 12 cases of banking frauds have been recorded. Misuse of technology also revealed as 30 cases of internet fraud registered during that period. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Nautica Goa Beach Run 2014, organized by Vasco Sports Club, was held at Colva on Sunday. The run was enthusiastic and fun. Around 300 people participated in the run. Here are some of the glimpses.
Half marathon, also running towards the finish line. We have them here. Let's hear a big round of applause.
We had a great level of participation today. We had about 300 people for the 21 kilometers. We had about 100 for the 10 kilometers, and for the 5K we had about 100. So it's an overwhelming response. We are very glad to be a part of this. All the runners have had a good time. As you see, the run is just finishing. We're getting a lot of people coming back, a lot of crowd on the beach. It's a great atmosphere over here. We are happy to organize this, and we really look forward for having this in the next year too, with more participation. And there's a lot of support from the government of Goa, from the collector, from the police. So thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for everybody for making it a big success.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.